Greetings, Chris Viola here with another exciting edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. I know we said we were going to look at the Google Music thing today, but new plan. It turns out that there's a waiting list for the Google thing, so I went and I waited, but it's not much to see, really. Not until they let me in. So, in the meantime, we are looking at another one that was on our list. This is the Gamma design partner, suggested by longtime reader and even longer time friend, the great JT Tom Johnson. So, and you open Gamma, you get this little, "Hi Chris, I'm your AI design partner." Obviously, it would say, "Hi, your name. What would you like to create today? A presentation, a document, a web page?" I'm going to go with web page simply because we've designed a lot of web pages with these AI tools, and I like to maintain some consistency in what we're trying to do to see to make the results somewhat comparable. So let's give it a shot. Sounds good. What do you want your web page to be about? The future of space exploration, chocolate. None of these things. How about that? It's right. That seems extremely silly. Show more suggestions. Show more suggestions again. I'm not crazy about any of these things here. Nah. Okay, we'll do creative portfolio. Okay. I like that. Creative portfolio for name. Sounds interesting. Ha ha ha. Very conversational, stupid thing. You wonder what people are thinking when they design these things, and you realize that they're not. Here's an outline for you. What do you think? Introduction, about, design philosophy, key projects. Just very bland. Introduction, about me, my work, my process, testimonials, contact me. Okay, it's not great, but I don't feel like it's going to get any better. Okay, this is a theme preview. Pick a theme. Just no, I don't like that at all. But that's me. So let's try something dark and dramatic. Very dark and dramatic. Oatmeal. This is obviously going to be photography, so I think we want something light or white. Here. Yeah, I guess that's the best we're going to do here, so. Okay, creative portfolio. Welcome to my creative portfolio. About me. I am a multidisciplinary artist based in New York City. No, I'm not. All right, this isn't terrible. It's doing that kind of design, one giant page with sections to it. That seems so popular here these days. I think it's decent. I think it is. Yeah, I could work some photos into this, and I guess from here you can edit it. Add from template. Add blank card. Yeah, I can edit it from here, and so I could substitute one of my photos in here. So web search. Where's just upload? I don't know. Well, you don't need to. Well, I guess maybe these are under here. Yeah, image upload. Okay, so you see how this would work here. It's not bad. It's not a bad way, especially if you don't have web design skills of your own, to generate a page. It has all the pieces in it that you could then use this as as a rough template and go through and just basically rewrite, fill it out, add your stuff in there on ABC company, and a degree from the place that you actually have a degree from, et cetera, et cetera. So, not bad at all. Very quick, certainly helpful, but limited. I think this is one of those things that if you don't have a lot of web skills or access to web tools, you'll find this really useful. If you already have those kinds of things, then you probably can do better and faster on your own. That's it for this week. Fiola out.